Hey everybody, Mr. Waffles here. This is my first video. Today I'm doing the typical heroes mod. 135,000 downloads. Pretty nice altogether, I'd say. First suit I'm using today is the Cyborg from DC. And I'd say there are a lot of DC heroes in here, not a lot, like around 10 to 8, 8 to 10, and about like 1 to 2 Marvel. Or I'm just dumb, which is bad. Okay. And here is Cyborg. His first ability is sort of a laser eyes. Damn. Yes, laser eyes. Very cool, very cool. Yes, I think that's his only abilities, I'd say, because, yes, either I'm pretty dumb, or I'd say that's his only ability. Yes. Next up, Batman. Personal favorite, absolutely. Very dope for me. I don't think he has any abilities because, he's not super powered, but yes, he also gives you, regeneration, but pretty sick, but please make an ability. Still in progress, this mod. Next up, Wonder Woman. Very strong hero. I'm dumb. Okay. Very strong hero. Yes. Okay, there you go. Very strong hero. And yes, so my Shazam, I don't think he has any abilities. Yes, I'm pressing all the keys right now, and he has no abilities, nor any cool stuff. I mean, he might be able to fly, but, yes. My second thing I will show you is Wonder Woman. Now, Wonder Woman is I look horrible with it on, but she has a sword, which is pretty sick, and a pretty dope shield. She doesn't have, let me see if she has any abilities that I know of. No, she does not have any abilities. Sad. Totally. Anyways, next on the list. I'm just showing a group of superheroes. I'm not showing all of them today, I don't think. I might. Okay. Next up, Captain America. Decently cool superhero. I mean, he can lift up a car, so it's pretty cool. And by the way, these videos, sometimes I might include another YouTuber. So he's not very famous either. He's just a guy that I started channels with. I was like, hey, want to start a YouTube channel? Anyways, here's Captain America. Pretty sick, pretty dope. Here's the shield. Captain America's shield. Double shield. I'm taking this off. It's kind of, messing with me. Let's see, what can I do with this shield? Absolutely nothing. Not that I know of. Yes, no abilities can be used. Nope. It's pretty sick. Pretty dope. He has regeneration. And the core voice. I don't think he has, does he have extra speed? I can't tell. He knew. Damn, this is natural parkour. Going bad. Anyways, yes, that's that. Next up is, let's see, what is, Thor, of course. Thor's cool. Who doesn't like Thor? Sure, some people might not like Thor, but personally, I love Thor. He's sick. I don't think he has Mjolnir. Oh, he does have Mjolnir. Actually, nice. He has Mjolnir. Right click, right click, right click. Does not work. Oh, by the way, my skin is Star Platinum. Heaven. So, yes. There's that. Let's see. Oh, damn. Whoa. That's actually really cool. Look, he's like a laser from his hammer. What is that? His T abilities? Like, getting himself infinite hammers? The heck? It's a weird ability. I need the night ring. It's just straight up weird, but infinite Mjolnirs. Tell me if I'm pronouncing it incorrect. Don't judge me, please. The hell is there a hole there? Anyways, yes, I'm pretty sure that's his own abilities. I mean, personally, I think this is pretty cool. That is kind of cool for me. Anyways, next up on the list, after Thor. And he also has a Regeneration 3, which is pretty ridiculously strong. Iron Man, definitely sick. It would be a regret not to show Iron Man. Oh, no, not Black Widow. What the heck? My mind's just off. Anyways, here's Iron Man stuff. I'm taking that with me. I don't know what it does, but, you know. You take what you take and you don't get upset. And you get what you get and you don't get upset. Yay. Bam, bam. Whoa. Whoa, that's actually really cool. Repulsor deactivated. Whoa, flight system online. Weapon system online. Damn. This is dope. Don't even at me. This is actually very cool. The repulsor's activated. Oh my goodness, this is sick. This is actually sick. What the heck? What the? Wait, I need to see this. Kurt, this is definitely. Oh, damn, son. That's so cool. Look, he's like, blessed you. Definitely my favorite. I mean, in this mod, yes. Definitely my favorite. Damn. I mean, for sure that's it. Yes. Very sick. Very dope. What the heck? Oh, what just happened? I don't know. Well, there's that. That's that. Okay. We still have time for Loki eyes. Huh, Superman. Classic right there. Superman. Superman. Very cool. The man. The Superman himself. Bam, bam. I don't think he has any, like, think of it. I don't think he'll have. Wait, what do I look like when I have this on? I just have, like, hardship mask. I don't think he has any weapons in the battles. I mean, sure, he used, like, pipes and stuff. Damn, okay, laser eyes. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Look at this. Oh, I thought that was a chicken. Are those sheeps? I'm blind. I'm literally blind. Those aren't sheeps. Nice. Let's see. Yes, he only has this. I mean, it's pretty sick, but, you know, I kind of wish there was, you know, the cold breath. Very sick ability. Bzz. Okay, that's that. Superman. I mean, personally, I think the detail of Superman and Iron Man, especially, is very good. Next up. Flash. I mean, definitely the Flash. I mean, what? Wait. I mean, Flash, definitely. I mean, like, if you ask, like, a billion people, like, in the world, there's, like, here, I'm taking, I have too much stuff in my inventory, so I should clear. I don't think Flash has any, like, abilities that I know of. No, not abilities, but, like, okay. Let's go. Oh my goodness, this is fast. Two-faced. I wonder if my PC will crash. Okay, so here's level 1. Pretty faced. Level 2. Nice. Very nice. Level 3. Okay, now this is getting really intense. Level 4 is like very fast. Level 5 is like meow. Level 6, literally faced. Like, bruh. The light itself can't catch me, bro. You can't catch me. You can't even see me. Okay, my game is breaking. This is first, right now, my favorites are Superman and Flash. Pretty detailed, I'd say. I'm gonna slow down the speed. I don't think he has any other abilities, but, I mean, pretty dope. Pretty dope. This is my normal speed. Wait a second. Yeah, I don't think I can sprint when I have this on. Yeah, I can't sprint, but this is very fast, I can tell you that. Okay. Next up on the list is, let's see, who's a good Hawkeye? Definitely Hawkeye. I mean, personally, Hawkeye, I mean, some people think he's not that cool, but I'd say he's pretty dope. I mean, I just like how it's like almost like Batman. He's many gadgets. Hawkeye has like different arrows. I think is there any special like Hawkeye arrows? Compound bow. I think that quivers his too. I think so. Ooh, what's that on the top? What is that? I don't know. I have no clue. Okay, I'm taking out Flash. Very quick, very cool. Okay, let's see. Compound bow. This is normally what I would say. Okay, I don't know what's that on the right. What? Is there like... Sorry, I'm not very good at mods. Let's see. Controls. I have no clue what I'm doing. Typical heroes mod. Flight B. Okay, I'm stupid. Quiver. Yes, quiver. L bracket. Okay, quivers is... Okay, damn. So there's a decent amount of... Okay, first hero. The first hero after the normal one. I have no clue what this does. I need a mob. Zombie. I'm sorry. I don't ask me why zombies are my test subjects. It's just, keep killing me in the games. Now it's time to get big. Okay. Whoa. Chill out. Okay. Explosive. Alright, is it? I think it has a delay of explosion. So you can shoot it. Yeah. That's actually really cool. Next up on the list. I'm guessing this is ice arrows. Oh, I'm not even close. It's like, does it have a spread on it? Like what is it? Like, oh, okay, yeah, that's pretty good. That's dope. Nice. Here's that. Okay, slash. I need to get in night vision. Reap. Yes, I don't know what this is though. What is it like smoke arrow? What is that? Smoke bomb? Smoke bomb? I'm guessing poisonous? Is that poisonous? Is it? I have no clue. I'm so clueless. I'm sorry, I'm pretty stupid. I'm actually really stupid. I can't move. I can't go for. I think, yeah, some mods mess up my, I have no clue. I honestly have no clue. I think it makes me invisible. Okay, I have no clue. Next up, okay, I definitely know what this is, I think. Yes, definitely a grappling arrow. I mean, what's Hawkeye without a grappling arrow? Yes, let's break the game. Yes, I'm genius, let's break the game. I need a flying creature so I can grapple on. Is that even possible? I don't know. Let's go, boys. Spider-Man. You want